In front of me is ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select language and input, click on language, so it's the first possibility here, and now smoothly mark the one that you would like to apply. Here you've got the whole list. Let me pick Italian, and as you can see, language has been already changed, and now you can smoothly use your phone in Italian. So here it is. Just give it a couple of seconds to apply. Is it stuck somewhere? Wakey wakey, ZTE. Okay, and now if you would like to change it again, just open the settings. As you can see, we've got it all in Italian. Now pick languages and input, go to the languages, and choose English or any other language that you would like to apply. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.